Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an album in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here it usually opens up in the gallery, but we have to go into the Lightroom menu in the middle. Here, if we tap on in the top left corner on the My Edits button, the little arrow that points down, we find the albums that we already have. Now, if we want to create a new album, we tap on the Create New button in the bottom, and here we can create an album or a folder. An album is a collection of images, and the folder can house multiple albums. So if you want to create a folder for cityscapes or urban photography, then you can create a folder, and in that folder you can create albums for different cities, different styles, different moods that you edit in, and then you can organize your pictures like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.